W Machine Works is a 43-year-old AS9100 certified manufacturing company specializing in the aerospace and defense industry. The parts and assemblies we manufacture support today's most important aerospace programs, including the F-35, AH-64, single and double aisle aircraft, business jets, and medium caliber weapon systems.
W Machine Works is unique in our ability to adapt to the customer's needs and serve a variety of manufacturing requirements. We specialize in removing metal in all different shapes and sizes. To serve aerospace and defense for over 43 years, the key to success is being flexible and understanding all the customer requirements, including customer specifications and purchase order clauses.
W Machine Works supports a culture that focuses on meeting all customer requirements. This not only means meeting drawing requirements, but also all engineering requirements found in key areas such as quality and engineering clauses and customer specifications.
At W Machine Works, we believe in competitive manufacturing. Our goal is to use our comprehensive knowledge in manufacturing, employee development, and process improvement to reduce our customers' cost and remain their supplier of choice. We offer fast lead time, superior quality, true customer support, and competitive pricing.
Customer support means understanding the customer's needs and treating each customer uniquely. Each member of our account manager team is dedicated to a specific customer and committed to understanding the needs of their customer. Utilizing a sophisticated ERP system, we provide control over the entire manufacturing process.
Additionally, we are increasing the digital data we collect to supply our customers more information and insight into their parts. Our employees are supplied with the necessary tools to capture and report the data to fulfill our customers' demand.
Our guiding principle at W Machine Works is an acronym we call EPIC. It stands for Equipment, People, Process, Innovation, and Collaboration. We take these key areas in mind for the right solution to meet our customers' needs.
W Machine Works invests in its people, processes, and technology. It is our commitment to our customer success that brings top OEM manufacturers to us.